Hello everyone, so welcome all of you in this channel. Today I am going to start my video, my first ever video, and in this video I'm just going to tell you about which kind of mistake I did in my spoken English journey. So hello, welcome all of you guys here. I am Charli and it's been a year I have been learning this language, and at first it was very difficult for me to watch any content in English. So I'm telling about that people, they are beginner and they are really anxious, they don't know how to start spoken English journey. Actually this is not that much hard which we in our mind it's. So we are kind of people, we always want to know about their spoken English journey, how did they learn. Actually everyone has gone through the same pattern which right now you are going through. When I started my spoken English journey, and I was definitely sure I have to learn this language by hook by crook. So I started by listening. At first I just focused listening. I thought let's listen for a few months and then I get to know about the idea how should I frame the sentences, because I was totally beginner. Even I couldn't speak. Right now I'm speaking and I was really timid. I was intimidated by watching other, they used to speak far better than me. And even I was a part language. There is nothing you can't do. There isn't anything you can do, but the only for that you need to be disciplinarian. You need to that spark. If you have that spark in yourself and you really want to learn anything, not only this language but also the all the skills is out there, you can learn any of them. But for that we have to be perfectionist. We have to keep in our mind, no matter whatever difficulties is about to come, no matter which kind of obstacles I have to face, I will face, but I will not get rid of this journey. I will be with this journey. I will face that difficulties and along with that I will learn. Then no one is here to stop you. No one can stop you if you have that desire. So I had that desire, and just because of that desire, right now I am a mother of a baby. I have a toddler and he is just a 2 years old. So you can imagine when he was 1 year, at that time I started my journey. So it was not easy for me. Really, it was not easy for me at all. But I did this. Whatever time I got, I just utilized that time for my spoken English journey. I didn't take a single nap. I didn't take a gap. I didn't take a single day gap because and now the kind of process I have been living, I have been enjoying this journey. Now I don't feel like I'm learning anything. I just feel like I'm enjoying my journey. There is something which is my friend. This spoken journey is my friend, because if I will not learn, then definitely for me to spend my entire day, it would be very difficult. So while listening, while watching, while talking to people, I'm just enjoying. I feel like I'm just talking to my friend. I'm watching, instead of watching any unnecessary video, it's better to watch something which is really fruitful for me, which is really insight information for me. So yeah, that's I get from I have been gone through multiple videos, multiple podcasts. There I get to know about if you have that desire, you can learn, you can do anything, because the all the speaker out there, they have been gone through the same condition. They were the same which we are right now, but they had that desire, they had that spark to learn. So now they are kind of fluent speaker, now they are eloquent speaker. We can be like them, we can be better than them, but only we have to be a perfectionist, we have to be a disciplinarian. So yeah, that's all about my side. So are you guys ready to learn with me? And if you are ready, just comment it down. I will give you the all answer how did I learn. Instead, even I have been learning this language, still I haven't stopped to learn. So yeah, along with that we can learn together and we can get to know about ourselves. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.